Alright, we're out here on the Hoover Reservoir. About 4 o'clock, August 26th. I haven't been out here in a while. I got my kayak out here, filming with my Kodak Play Sport. That beeping noise you hear here is my fish finder. I got a partner up ahead. He ain't fishing, he's just paddling, so he's pretty far ahead of me. Beautiful day out here. There's a little duck up ahead. I don't know if you can pick him up in the camera. Got my Play Sport mounted with a little camera mount velcroed to my boat. So far it's going pretty good. Hoover Reservoir in Westerville off Sunbury Road. Right now I'm in about 9 feet of water. Trying to stay in the shade. What do we got to do? We got to go all the way around that other bend, don't we?
Yeah, over there.
That's a long way, man. Let me tie on to you and you can pull me in, man. Tow me in.
Not that hard, man.
You know what I mean?
Pretty easy, actually. It's not even that bad.
I think you got a better paddle, man. I think that paddle's better than this one.
Yeah, you want to switch paddles?
Nah, we're all right. I got a lot of weight. I got a 5-pound anchor on this boat, fish finder.
I find them too light.
Not to mention I got 10 pounds of toilet paper on me. Can't never have enough toilet paper. You just need to quit going so fast.
I'm a hardy rower, man. I'm an outdoorsman extraordinary, you know.
I don't want to have to save you, and if you're too far ahead, I might not get there in time.
Well, I can swim a little, I can float some.
Just hang on to the boat.
If the boat goes, I'm leaving. Nothing but a piece of plastic anyway. Life's worth more than a boat, you know?
Well, in some cases, but since that's my boat, it's worth more than your life.
Many people died needlessly. Adhering to the trick, I'm going down with the ship thing. That's not good, you know? If the ship's going down, I'm up.
Here we are on another great adventure. It's what we do. You know what I mean? It's what we do. My real life stories are better than most people's fantasies. And if they're not, I'll make sure I tell them that way.
Yeah, I should take pictures, put them on Facebook, and talk about what a blast I had and best of it. It's like everybody else does when you get on there and
yeah, man, this was a blast. Paddling my butt off. My arms are killing me.
I'm so sick of people putting stuff on Facebook. What a blast!
Yeah, it was a blast.
Most of the time, it's just getting drunk in a different location, you know?
If you pretty much got to tell somebody something was a blast, or you're a great lover, or you're great at this or that, you're probably trying to convince yourself more than you are other people.
Yeah, they're trying to convince other people. They're trying to lie. They know better than I lie.
Yeah, I'll think about that one. the wind picking up a little bit.
Just like keep the food.
Could have been going down the river and let the current take us.
Yeah, this ain't bad though.
Not bad.
I need to buy me a kayak.
You need to buy you a kayak. While you're at it, you need to buy some new friends.
I would probably almost use it nearly as much as you do, which is next to never, which is like every 3 years.
Every 3 years, I knock the dust off of them and get them out.
And your wife just goes along with it once every 2 years, but she really doesn't like it much.
That's why I need a motorcycle so I can ride it about 3 times a
you should
year.
get a motorcycle. All the cool people have motorcycles. I have a motorcycle. In fact, I may be the coolest person you know with a motorcycle. But I'm not cool just because I have a motorcycle. Most people try to attain coolness because they've got a motorcycle. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
But you can't buy coolness. You either got it or you don't.
Well, you got something. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I got it in spades, man. I got it in spades.
Let's take that guy's boat out for a ride, man.
Yeah, let's just take the motor.
That's awful little motor for that big boat. Of course, you're not allowed more than 30, 35 horse. What's that say that is? 9.9? That's all you really need, though.
You're just moving from one place to the next. You ain't really. He's got a sailboat and a kayak. Look at it.
He does have a little 10-footer.
Catamaran there.
Getting off close, man. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we're gonna have fun getting up that hill. That's a pretty steep hill we put in at. You sure this is it? I think it might be the next one. Yeah, that's the next one. That ain't it, is it? Nah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see the bridge now. What's that going up there, a duck? Yeah, there's a duck right there going up the rocks.
Yeah, looks like a duck, all right.
It was a duck.
You sure know your animal.
Right there it is. You didn't even see him. There he goes, flying away.
Yeah, that's a duck, all right.
Look like Daffy Duck. There's a duck. It looks like a duck, quacks like a duck. It's a duck.
It didn't quack or look like a duck. Them ducks right there, them are ducks.
Right there's some more ducks.
Oh, them actually are.
Doing what ducks do.
You don't know you're outdoors and like you can do. You know what
I know my stuff.
that was probably a blue hair.
And we got to get up that tall bank.
Yeah, well, that ain't much of a problem, really.
You can't even get out of the boat. What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm trying to get out of the boat without messing my shoes. You see my shoes wet.
Yeah, I'm going to film you falling in the water.
Oh, you're going to be disappointed because I'm not falling in the water. See, look at that.
Alright, get the oar before it falls.
I'm not concerned about that oar. I'm breaking the things all the time.
Alright, one adventure comes to an end.